hope this doesn't come off bad, respectfully, in a very respectful way. On the radio, while we are Gambi, how do they entrust an entire federation with a president who is uneducated? Respectfully, I'm asking this question.
No.
Omusajja ATASOMA MUTYA.
Nja kunnyonnyola.
Respectfully, yeah.
Empaka z'ebigo zibamu babigo. Wano twogera olulimi lumu. One first language that unifies all of us in the federation is music. And when it comes to that language, buli muntu gwe twalonze kakiiko ako aluwoogerera ddala bulungi olulimi lwe bayita music, si waakunnyonnyolera. Second, leadership and the secretariat of the federation are two different things. The leadership is for the musicians, but the secretariat is for the professionals. So the federation...
People thought federation yona mujina buli kimu mugenda kyemalira. There's leadership and a secretariat.
And the federation
is
broken down into different pieces.
Yes.
In a leadership, in a committees ezigwa ku leadership.
Yes.
In a secretariat. Leadership. In a bantu nga president, vice presidents, President EDDY KENZO,
yes.
Vice Presidents Yenze, Palaso, Shiba Karungi, I think now Spice Diana. I don't know if it has been updated, but yes. Then we have Financial Committee running Wabebe Cool, Financial Department. Committee eyo etulako abantu abalala batano.
Association of the Ugandans ababeera mu nsi z'Obuwarabu bagita AUU. It is through such conventions that we get disciplines that help us become better people. Yeah. Abantu basinga bafulumako ne bagenda ebweru olw'ebulaaya bulaaya abamu tebadda mwinamu ekirowoozo ky'obutadda mutandikirawo mweyongerera. Tugende ku kyayo. I have a company, I have businesses here, man. I am the most celebrated radio presenter according to Ipsos. Number one. Which means ndi bulungi waneeno nabuuza Palaso ne mubuuza nakozesa ebigambo bino wammanga ngamba respectfully because I was conscious about the question I was going to ask. Ne mbuuza ekibuuzo nti mukwata mutya omuntu ataasoma ne mumuwa federation agikulembere. Even before those words left my mouth, I knew they would hurt KENZO. But I have to be able to separate friendship and emotions from the job. Bwe baba bampadde ekibuuzo ekyo sina right ekijjako. You understand? And at the end of the day also facts are facts. How professional would I be singa sikibuuza? You start failing in your career if you fear taking risks. Bwe nkeera enkya nga nze DPC nga ndi on another level in life nojja ng'oli kyali wange ng'okoze omusango ate nkusonyiwe mbu lwakuba nkumanyi waaba agenda kuyimba andowoozaako. You understand my point? He's doing his job. I'm also doing my job. But if I start apologizing to everyone, ate kati mba ngenda kwetondera buli omu. Professionally kati ate lwaki mba nejjusa? Teekamu radio and wisdom. Ku YouTube ng'ogyeko ennyimba ze baayimba ne video ze baakola, teekamu radio and wisdom. Olaba obujja balabako nga bayimba nga sound mulungi ng'ebivulu bino bye tutegeka because they were great people but they did not document themselves.